If you are using AI tools like ChatGPT to create content, you have probably heard about undetectable AI. It claims to rewrite AI generated text so it sounds more human and is less likely to be flagged by AI detectors. But does it actually work in 2026? Let's find out. What is undetectable AI? Undetectable AI is an AI rewriting tool designed to humanize AI generated content. Instead of creating content from scratch, it rewrites existing text to make it read more naturally while preserving the original meaning. It's commonly used by students, bloggers, marketers, freelancers, and businesses that want AI assisted writing to sound more human. Key features. Here are its main features: AI humanizer that rewrites AI generated text, built in AI detector that checks how likely your content is to be identified as AI written, multiple rewriting modes for readability and tone, suppose long form content like blog posts, essays, and articles, simple interface that's easy for beginners to use. Pricing. Undetectable AI offers paid subscription plans based on your monthly word usage. Larger plans provide higher word limits, and pricing may change over time, so it's best to check the official website for the latest details. Pros: very easy to use, produces natural sounding text in most cases, supports large amounts of content, includes an AI detection checker, saves time compared to manually rewriting text. And when talking about the cons, no tool can guarantee that content will bypass every AI detector. Some rewritten text may still need manual editing. Subscription can be expensive for heavy users. Accuracy depends on the quality of the original content. Who should use it? Undetectable AI is a good option for content creators, bloggers, freelancers, marketing teams, anyone who uses AI writing tools and wants more natural sounding content. Final verdict. So is undetectable AI worth it in 2026? If you regularly use AI generated content and want a quick way to make it sound more human, undetectable AI is one of the better tools available. It offers solid rewriting capabilities, an easy to use interface, and a built in AI detector. Just remember that no humanizer can guarantee you will avoid every AI detector. Always review and edit your content to ensure it's accurate, natural, and appropriate for your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.